Found an FLD file related to your Outlook installation and curious about its purpose? These are folder configuration files used by Microsoft Outlook. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Microsoft Outlook folder files. Quick setup recommendation: download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your FLD file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. An FLD file is a configuration file used by Microsoft Outlook to store the names of custom folders created by the user. It works in conjunction with the main PST or OST data files to organize the email folder hierarchy. Users typically encounter this file when migrating or troubleshooting their Outlook profile. The FLD format is a simple, proprietary text-based or binary file containing a list of folder names. Its design prioritizes simplicity and speed for Outlook to quickly parse and display the user's folder tree. It is not intended for direct user editing and is managed automatically by the application. Your primary troubleshooting tool for FLD should be the specialized Microsoft Outlook by Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows exposes the configuration layout, but altering it safely requires context from the application. To ensure we don't miss anything, right-click your FLD file and click Open With. Test Microsoft Outlook first. If it fails, select another program. We are checking all installed readers. When your FLD file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. This is the last stop before the universal fix. Let's quickly test these common failure points to confirm the depth of the FLD problem. First, letting Outlook manage. FLD files are managed automatically by Microsoft Outlook during normal use. Users typically don't interact with these files directly since Outlook handles folder configurations transparently. Customize folder views through the View menu or right-clicking folders, and selecting properties for proper management through the application interface. Next, resetting corrupted configurations. If folder views appear broken, reset them through Outlook's View menu by selecting Reset View on affected folders. This regenerates FLD configurations to default, solving issues caused by corrupted folder settings. Alternatively, run Outlook.exe clean views from the command line to reset all folder views in Outlook. Finally, backing up Outlook data. Backup Outlook configurations, including FLD files, by copying the Outlook data folder typically located at %local app data %Microsoft Outlook on Windows. Combined with PST file backups, this preserves complete Outlook setup. Restoration requires placing files back in original locations with Outlook closed during the operation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.